by myself, yeah, I'm on lockdown. Sometimes you gotta find what's wrong, yeah, what's right. It's been a long road here coming, blue hunters on thumbing, and I could split the whole damn thing with my woman. What's yours is mine. I'm sitting here with yours is mine. Don't leave the house, baby. You gotta swing my way, but don't believe the hype, baby. I'm always shady, so don't believe the hype, baby. I might lie sometimes, don't believe the hype, baby. We're going till 5 in the morning. I caught you yawning, yeah. I guess I can't get no easy. I know you need me. I guess I'm gonna ride your way for time. Yeah. I'm trying to do a little mind fucking. You gon' love it, baby. Tell me, do you mind?
So, I've been editing the video. It turned out pretty, it's turning out pretty good. I just gotta add music and my little edits and whatever. And yes, that's gonna be posted really soon, y'all. Like I said, I had a really good birthday. I said that in every. Hey, y'all, so new week, new vlog. My birthday is not over because I'm still celebrating. I don't give a fuck. Till the month is over, it's still my birthday. I don't care. I might go out to eat or something like that, do something else, you know, for myself while I get another look. Yes, and yeah, because I want to kind of get cute, but it's gonna depend. It's kind of gloomy today, y'all. I'm super excited. I had a good ass birthday, y'all, as I keep saying, as I kept saying, and I'm gonna keep saying because it was lit. Anyway, y'all, I'm on my way to get me a coffee. I'm right now editing my birthday vlog and like editing some videos for TikTok and shit.
Hold on, hey, hold on, I need the money, the power, respect. From this party, you know I'm a flex. I got it on me.
Hey y'all, hey, I told y'all I was going out today. I was not playing. So yeah, it's still my birthday and it's on. So I wanted to go to Papa Do's because there's somewhere else I have not been before and I've been begging to go there like for the longest. So I'm taking myself on a little date there. Everybody like on a Monday? Yeah, on any day. It's my birthday still, period. Happy birthday to me. I'll see y'all when I get there. I just came from Papa Do's, as y'all can see. Service was okay. Servers were okay. Honestly, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't tipped because they didn't do nothing for me. They didn't give me napkins. They didn't give me nothing. Y'all, my hands is sticky right now. My hand's sticky right now, so no tip for them. They just were not good service. When I sat down, the bitch disappeared. So not good service at all, period. I give Papa Do's 6 out of 10 probably. They alright, they decent. But y'all, I'm getting ready to see if it's a mall open right now. I'm gonna run into the mall. If not, I'm gonna try to go to the mall tomorrow. Yeah, y'all, it's still my motherfucking birthday until I say it. I ain't, you feel me? Period. Anyway, y'all, bye y'all. Hey y'all, hey. I'm just about to go get my little freebie stuff, and I want to take y'all with me so y'all can see some of the little freebie stuff I got. I already got my Pandora percentage off for my freebie, so y'all gonna see that on the birthday vlog though. And speaking of the birthday vlog, her is done. She's done and finished. She'll be posted on Friday. So make sure y'all tune in to that, or make sure y'all go tune into that, y'all. I feel like that's a really good vlog for the ladies that's been thinking about going on a solo trip. Cause it be a lot of talking, you know. It's dangerous, of course, but you know what I'm saying? Who wanna not have fun because they gotta worry about people fucking with them? I'ma get me, look, every state, what? Baby, look. But anyway, y'all, I'm on the expressway, so I'm gonna get off this phone, and I'm gonna see y'all when I get in the mall. Bye. The wax, the European Wax Center. So that'll be like a whole nother vlog by itself, because that'll be me going to get a wax. Literally, like, I don't have time to get a wax right now, y'all. So that'll be like something different, and we'll know that's what that's from. Also, you know, like the race, the K1 racing, I got a free race. That's the European. It's my birthday. It's like a certain % off, or wax, or whatever you fucking want. Like I said, Auntie Annie's, Sephora. Y'all, I got so many different screenshots in here, but it's so many more, y'all. But we just gonna do the ones where I'm in the area right now, and then everything else can, I guess, flow with it, go with it. We just gonna add this, and then whatever ain't, we gonna just make this into a whole vlog, because I thought it was gonna be just a whole vlog by itself, because it was a lot. I don't know what happened to my damn screenshots. I be deleting stuff all the time now, so I don't know. But right now, we're gonna head to the mall, get those goods, and then probably had to get something to eat, y'all, because the bitch is hungry. I'm doing it in my video, like I said, period. Yeah, y'all. So let's go. Hey, y'all. So we at Kohl's and Sephora. We're gonna go in, and this is the first stop for the freebie, y'all. Let's go. Hey, y'all. I just came from Sephora, obviously. So, y'all, I'm gonna be working more on, because y'all know I'm a smoker, I'm gonna be working on my skin. So we're gonna do a whole segment of me working on my face, like the different little discolorations on my face, my lip discoloration, my neck discoloration. So that's really what where my channel gonna steer next. That's not gonna be every day all the time, but we definitely gonna be doing a little more self-care, skincare stuff. So I got this to try and add to my routine. I also want to add a sugar scrub, so I like do a sugar scrub, then do that at night. I don't really like all of the chemicals and stuff that I see a lot of skincare routines require, because I really don't feel like it be working. And my skin not real bad. I ain't like bumpy and shit like that. I just have a lot of discoloration. So I need to find like a different solution or something I can make at home that will work for my discoloration on my face. So that's what we're gonna really be looking into, doing research on, and kind of like, I'm gonna be a little test dummy basically. So yes, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. I'm out tonight, but I was somewhere where the illegal substances was stirring up, you know. I'm gonna have to cut that out. Hey, y'all. I looked the cute earlier, but baby, I came through that button down, so sleepy. This is my first day back at work since my vacation, baby, and I was sad. But I ain't gotta go tomorrow. Y'all, my shit uploading so slow. This shit been uploading for over 2 hours, y'all. Over 2 hours. I'm not kidding. Still uploading. Yeah, I'm so irritated. Oh my gosh. I know this is right. This is crazy. Y'all see my sex on. It's crazy. That's how I can see you now. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. I'll be ready to brush my teeth. And also be honest today, I'm actually at my old job, and I started going to school Monday. And yes, I look like I'm super excited either. So yeah, y'all, this will be your room today. Insane. Y'all, my camera dying. My camera down. But hey, y'all. Hey, I'm out. And I'm about to get ready to give me something to eat on. My mama is in the grocery store getting some stuff. And I got to do like some other running, y'all. And it is snowing its ass off right now. It looks so ugly, y'all. Y'all probably can't even tell how ugly it looks. The camera kind of made it not look so bad. But it's ugly as fuck today, y'all. So I'm irritated. A little irritated. Just a little. About to snow a little bit, but I did manifest that it didn't snow for around my birthday, and it did not. Like, I ain't gonna snow. It wasn't too cold. It was actually really nice for my birthday, so gotta take the ick with the ick. A win is a win, damn it. A win is a win. So, yes. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye. I'm gonna pull my little cart right here. Y'all almost hit them. Oh. My shit up. I ain't hit your car. I ain't hit your car. Am I still recording? Oh shit. I'm this thick. Next week I'll officially be up for the Bob Babe. And I'm so thirsty. Yeah, I'm ready to poke y'all. Purr. I'm thirsty. Yes, y'all. So I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna be doing on the sides. Wow, I'm trying to do that, but period. Love y'all. See y'all later. Hey y'all, hey. Welcome back, welcome back. I hope y'all enjoyed the birthday vlog. Y'all, that's the last time y'all seen me. And I think that's how I'm gonna be vlogging from now on. Like when I got different stuff going on and whatnot. So the last time y'all spoke to me, I don't remember if I ever even told y'all that I was going to phlebotomy school. So y'all, I'm getting ready to graduate actually now. In about 2 weeks, we'll be taking finals and graduating. So of course, I want to start vlogging now. So today I am getting my hair colored, y'all. Connie is coloring my hair. AKA Nina. Girl. Somebody say,
I better fall back. I don't mean to mislead her, but if she believed every word that I said, I take it all back. She playing follow the leader, but that doesn't mean that I ain't gotta leave her. Oh no. She say she could give me what I need. I should make her more than company. I swear she got that fire, but does it compare to Cali? No. She's so happy when she's next to me. Thought she had me, baby, really thought she had me. Now she feeling for the rest of me, but that isn't in the recipe. Let it go, let it go. Playing house with no rent, the more you hate it, you real one, speak of devotion. Told him to leave and came looking for me. I wonder, did I stutter when I told her else? None of this was ever meant to last. When I'm in it, it's that fire. But does it compare to Kelly? No. She's so happy when she next to me. Thought she had me, baby, really thought she had me. Now she feeding for the rest of me. But that isn't in the recipe. Let it go, girl, say what you want and you know. Oh, we can never be.
Male.
Well, in his case, he came from a park. He said he's been away with those other parties. Stand up. Ain't nobody like
We
your
can
song.
never be.
I ain't gonna hear that song. Y'all like that?
Yeah, that.
It is Saturday, y'all, and we are getting ready to go to an event. I ain't doing nothing too, I ain't wearing nothing too crazy like that or whatever. Y'all see I got the little braids or whatever. What I look like? Tomorrow I'll be like swamp, studying, y'all, because my actual phlebotomist test is Monday. So yeah, super nervous, but I think I got this. Yes, y'all, so I'm trying to take y'all to the event or whatever, get some little footage or whatever. As y'all can see, I'm ready, but we waiting on Connie. So yeah, check it out. What's he getting? My camera was dirty. Hold on. No, yeah, my camera was dirty. Okay, these is the outfits we have. Was it a given? QD pop. Hey y'all, hey. Happy Sunday, y'all. I ain't get none of the damn event last night. I didn't even finish getting my outfit, I don't think. I don't even think I got the finished look on my camera. I'm actually go back and look too. But I did get it all on my phone. If that counts for anything. I'm gonna throw them clips in here. Put them right there, Sierra. Don't forget to put them right there, bitch. Yes, y'all. So today is Sunday and the day before my finals test exam for phlebotomy. I'm nervous as hell, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm really just ready to get it out the way and pass this shit so I can move on to other parts of my life. I know I'm gonna pass. Sometimes I'll be second guessing myself, but we do get to use a study guide and notes. It's like, how could you fail at this point? I want to pass with an A, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, a high A, not a low A. I want to pass with a high A, but medium A, low A, it really don't matter. I want to pass. As long as I'm getting a 82 and above, I'm cool. But I really want to get a high A. But that's just me being cocky. I always had this camera in an awkward position when I'm driving because I hate for people to watch me. But how I'm gonna fucking vlog if I'm scared for people to watch me? Anyway, yes, y'all. It was a good weekend. It was a good weekend. I had a really good weekend, y'all. Right now I'm just about to go wash my clothes and study. Study. I'm gonna be studying all tomorrow too. Just studying my ass off. Yes. And we got our competency test Wednesday. And then Friday is our graduation. If we graduate. But we ain't gonna put that in the atmosphere because we're graduating. But yeah. So right now, yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to go wash my clothes, study, chill out. And I'll get back with y'all. Hey y'all. So again, like I said, it is Sunday and tomorrow is my test day. I did a little bit of studying while I was washing my clothes, so I'm about to do a little more studying now. I'm gonna study at work, of course, and then tomorrow night is the test. Cause I take night classes, obviously. I said I was gonna start holding this camera right. So that's what I got going on right now, y'all. I'm trying to get on the camera. I don't want to vlog like regular vloggers do. I don't want a daily vlog because I'm not doing something daily that's fun or interesting to me. So, hey y'all, hey, it's the next day. And your girl passed all her tests, her competency tests, clinical labs, all that stuff is passed, y'all. It's official. It's a phlebotomist. Purr. I'm so happy, y'all, but I'm going to see y'all Friday. Period. Hey y'all, hey, today is graduation for me, so it's a phlebotomist. Purr. It's a phlebotomist. Purr. Yes, y'all, so I'm on my way. I'm super fucking late because I was trying to do something to my head. So, yes, y'all, that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I come back from that, though. Bye, y'all.